What's up, dudes? We're eating McDonald's right now. About to go slide my turd box around. Hopefully going to the ditch.
I needed that. I bet Marlon says, "Oh, dude, I'm gonna get rims."
Yeah.
Going back.
We're getting ready to go do some skids in my open diff car. That is a big old turd box.
Excuse me.
It's raining outside.
This is a shitty town.
Illinois. Just kidding, we're in New Mexico.
Got the.
Oh shit, I gotta get gas.
Fuck yeah.
Woo! Is my gas tank inside? I can never remember because I'm a white guy. But he gotta eat
Truck,
the booty
yeah,
like
dude.
grocery.
Won't even slide sideways. No.
I'm such a dig nog.
Okay, well. Why do your windshields stop like that?
Because they're junk.
And the key, just to let everyone know, the key is off. Radio's on. Hooked it up on a switch. What about it? What about us is?
Hey, will you pay for this while I pump it?
No.
Come on, you lazy nig nog.
No. It's cold.
You're so lazy.
You said it was a shorter walk. We should have just stayed at Circle K.
Wow, truck yeah!
Truck. Once it gets done pumping gas, and we'll fucking fuck you, dude. Just oh, missed it.
Up,
Who is that?
I don't know.
Oh,
That was nuts.
sort of rocking Mustang, rims in the back, stock in the front. Trash. Fucking, we just missed a mad skid to fucking buy a Saturn front wheel drive.
I'm gonna try to do some skids, hopefully not get caught. We're gonna go into some parking lots around this shithole town of Taylorville.
And it's an open diff, so we're not gonna be
so it's
laying
not
any rubber.
It's not gonna be anything sick, but we're gonna just have some fun, you know.
And it doesn't have reverse.
Oh yeah, no reverse. $1,400 piece of shit.
It's not too bad. The interior is
not-
pretty decent.
It's actually not that bad.
Some fancy radio that we picked up for $20.
Oh yeah, it's got Bluetooth.
Nothing in the back. Aftermarket headliner that we put in ourselves.
Ninja fucking Turtles.
That's about it.
I mean, you know, it is what it is.
We're gonna go to the shop right now. We gotta take some pictures of that car for those idiots.
Why? Don't we have enough?
We only have those. Post
Yeah.
them on the picture.
No one else asked for any, dude.
Yeah, huh? Another guy did. What are those things on the
They
range?
didn't have fucking hubcaps on.
Lay a slide right
That was
here.
a Cummins, dude. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it was
I thought it was a fucking.
These are all fucking our friends' mom's gay ass cars.
I mean, you know.
Besides that one, that's ours. That's ours. That's ours.
Yes, that 38-foot fucking trailer. That's a shitty parking lot right there.
We don't need to take any iPhones.
Oh my gosh, you're such
I thought
a
you said you
cuck.
had some.
I only have the ones I posted.
You didn't post any on there?
Yeah, I did. I comment on it.
Oh, okay. Then it should be good.
My exhaust is like really shitty. We paid $7 for a clamp at O'Reilly's because we don't have a welder yet. Well, we had one, but it broke, so. Yeah, my car's pretty ghetto right now, but we'll fix it up. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a donut because why not?
Because we can always find other places. Lock was man.
Can I just tear up? No, just get one Mad Donut so I can be happy and say that Chase Hickory does have some sense. Oh, it's a fucking expedition. You're so stupid. Fuck you. If it would have been a cop, then you'd be like, you're so smart. Let's go. Yeah. Wait until he gets far down the road, stupid pussy. It's a fucking What if he gets mad that you're ruining Maytown? Because we give a fuck about them. Fuck about them. Ready? Okay, late match, kids. I'm only doing one. Oh, there's a fucking car right there. I'm waiting, dude. That actually That's a Jeep. It's a Jeep. Everything's a cop. No, it's not even a Jeep. Look at it compared to that truck. Everything's a cop. It's not a cop, though. Okay, we're about to find out. Oh, dude, it just plowed through that water. We're going down that road. Oh, fuck. Not bad. I'm not trying to get ringing for L in this. No. We'll be fine, dude. The intake's not even in the front. It's in the back. We ran it out the back. I don't think this far. It's fucking Cody Morthal. It is too. Okay. Let him mean. Fuck him. I'll just wait out. He'll be like, and then he'll come in here and he's probably stupid as fuck. What's this car doing? We're just chilling, dude. Like a villain. No, Mr. Krabs. We just gave her hell. Alright, go slow. There's some water down there. But if there's too much, we need to make like a boat and float.